Welcome to Nirvana Travel, your gateway to breathtaking destinations around the globe. Today, we'll embark on a journey to the pristine paradise of La Digue Island, nestled in the heart of the Seychelles archipelago. Renowned for its untouched natural beauty, crystalline waters, and iconic granite boulders, La Digue promises a captivating escape from the ordinary. As we delve into its treasures, prepare to be enchanted by its serenity, vibrant ecosystems, and the unique charm of each ounce that graces this idyllic island. La Digue, the fourth largest island in the Seychelles, is a place where time slows and nature takes center stage. Located approximately 43 kilometers northeast of Mahé, the main island, La Digue is accessible by ferry, offering travelers a scenic introduction to its unspoiled shores. Here, bicycles and ox carts serve as the primary modes of transport, enhancing the island's quaint and eco-friendly atmosphere. With lush forests, captivating beaches, and a fascinating blend of wildlife, La Digue is a haven for both relaxation and exploration. Our journey begins at Anse Source d'Argent, one of the most photographed beaches in the world and a crown jewel of La Digue. This iconic stretch of shoreline is famous for its shimmering white sands, striking granite boulders sculpted over millennia, and the gentle turquoise waves that lap its shores. The geological marvels here are a result of ancient volcanic activity, with the boulders shaped by eons of wind and water erosion into smooth, surreal forms. Anse Source d'Argent is also home to a diverse range of marine life. Beneath its tranquil waters, vibrant coral reefs host a symphony of colorful fish, including butterflyfish, parrotfish, and even the elusive gray moray eel. Snorkeling here offers an unparalleled glimpse into this underwater paradise. Though visitors should be mindful of preserving the delicate ecosystem by avoiding contact with the coral. Wildlife enthusiasts will delight in spotting the Seychelles giant tortoise roaming freely, a species emblematic of the archipelago. Look upwards, and you might catch a glimpse of the Seychelles bulbul with a paradise flycatcher flitting through the tropical vegetation. The beach's proximity to accommodations ranges from eco-lodges to luxurious beachfront villas, making it an ideal base for exploration. Anse Source d'Argent offers a more secluded experience, perfect for those seeking tranquility and an intimate connection with nature. This hidden gem boasts pristine sands and crystal-clear waters surrounded by lush vegetation. The rhythmic sounds of waves and chirping birds create a soothing ambiance, ideal for unwinding. The beach's rich biodiversity includes sightings of the Seychelles giant day gecko, a vibrant green lizard often seen basking in the sun. Birdwatchers will appreciate the presence of species like the Seychelles scops owl and the magpie robin. Conservation efforts ensure the preservation of this fragile ecosystem, with visitors encouraged to respect the environment by minimizing waste and refraining from disturbing wildlife. Kayaking and paddleboarding are popular activities at Anse Source Aegine. The beach lacks direct accommodations but is easily accessible for day trips from nearby lodgings. Pack essentials such as sunscreen, water, and reef-safe snorkeling gear to make the most of your visit. Grand Anse, with its sweeping crescent of powdery white sand and dramatic waves, is a paradise for those who appreciate raw, untamed beauty. This expansive beach is perfect for a leisurely stroll, letting the refreshing ocean breeze accompany your every step. Unlike the calmer waters of other anses, Grand Anse is known for its powerful surf, making it a favorite spot for photography and wave watching, rather than swimming. The surrounding granite boulders add a rugged charm, while inland trails reveal native flora and fauna. Keep an eye out for the Seychelles warbler or the scurrying Seychelles giant tortoise. While the area lacks coral reefs, its natural allure lies in its unspoiled landscapes and the sense of solitude it offers. Travelers should note that there are no restaurants or facilities directly on Grand Anse, so packing a picnic and plenty of water is advisable. For accommodation, charming guest houses and boutique lodges nearby cater to varying budgets, ensuring a comfortable stay close to this breathtaking locale. Tucked away beyond Grand Anse, Petite Anse rewards visitors with a sense of discovery. Accessible via a short hike, this beach offers a quieter alternative, with its powdery sands and crystalline waters inviting relaxation. The journey to Petite Anse is an adventure in itself, weaving through lush vegetation and offering glimpses of the island's vibrant ecosystems. Petite Anse's waters are ideal for snorkeling, revealing a lively underwater world of colorful fish and corals. Eagle stingrays glide gracefully across the sandy seabed, and schools of fish dart through the warm, clear waters. Respect for marine life is essential, so remember to observe from a distance and avoid feeding or touching the animals. Accommodations nearby include cozy guest houses, perfect for those looking to balance comfort with immersion in nature. Don't forget to bring hiking shoes and plenty of water for the trek to this hidden gem. Anse Coco is a hidden treasure, renowned for its secluded charm and natural pools formed by granite rocks. This tranquil beach is accessible via a scenic hike from Petite Anse, rewarding visitors with breathtaking views and a serene atmosphere. The pools offer safe spots for swimming and snorkeling, with their calm, clear waters teeming with marine life. The surrounding environment is a haven for the Seychelles giant day gecko and a variety of birds. Listen carefully, and you might hear the melodic calls of the Seychelles scops owl echoing through the trees. Anse Coco's unspoiled beauty is a testament to the island's commitment to conservation, with efforts focused on preserving its unique habitats. Visitors should plan for a moderately challenging hike to Anse Coco, so sturdy footwear and adequate hydration are essential. The beach's remoteness ensures a peaceful experience, and its natural pools are a highlight for families and couples alike. Anse Sange, a lesser-known yet equally captivating beach, is the perfect finale to our exploration of La Digue. Characterized by its rugged coastline, dramatic waves, and sculpted granite formations, this beach offers a sense of adventure in raw natural beauty. It's a fantastic spot for photography, with the interplay of light and shadow on the boulders creating mesmerizing visuals. The beach's remoteness makes it a sanctuary for wildlife. Visitors might encounter the Seychelles magpie robin or the elusive Seychelles warbler amidst the vegetation. The rocky tide pools teem with small marine creatures, offering a unique perspective on the island's biodiversity. Anse Sange lacks facilities, so visitors should come prepared with essentials. Its off-the-beaten-path appeal makes it a favorite for those seeking solitude and a deeper connection with nature. Nearby accommodations can be found in the form of eco-lodges and guest houses, providing a cozy base for exploration. For those planning a trip to La Digue, here's everything you need to know. Temperatures on the island range from 24 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius, 75 degrees Fahrenheit to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, throughout the year, with the best time to visit being between May and October, during the dry season. These months offer cooler weather, calmer seas, and ideal conditions for exploring both land and water. The closest international airport is Seychelles International Airport on Maui Island. From there, travelers can take a ferry to Ladiv, often with a stopover at Praslin Island. Ferry services operate multiple times daily, offering a scenic and efficient way to reach Ladiv. The journey from Mahé to Ladiv typically takes around 90 minutes. Ladiv is exceptionally safe for tourists, with a low crime rate. In case of emergencies, dial 999 for police, fire, or medical assistance. While there are no full-scale hospitals on the island, there is a local clinic to address minor health concerns. It's advisable to carry a basic first aid kit and travel insurance for added peace of mind. The Seychelles rupee is the official currency, and most establishments accept major credit cards. English, French, and Creole are widely spoken, ensuring easy communication for visitors. When it comes to food, be sure to try local delicacies like octopus curry, grilled fish, and breadfruit chips, which showcase the island's rich culinary heritage. The island's laid-back charm attracts approximately 100,000 visitors annually, making it a sought-after destination for nature lovers and adventurers alike. As our journey through Ladiv's enchanting onces comes to an end, we hope you've been inspired to discover this tropical paradise for yourself. Thank you for joining us on Nirvana Travel. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below. Tell us which once you'd love to visit or share your favorite beach destination. Until next time, keep exploring, and may your travels be filled with wonder and discovery.